Enyama nyingi erikuruga omuri Sanga Kiruhura district neekira kuguzibwa omu katare aka Kibara omu gomborora ya Nyakiyumbu omu district ya Kasese kandi neeba esisikiire bwanyuma y'okumara ebiro bingi omu muhanda etakahikire Kasese.
Sanga meat transported from Sanga to our markets locally here is at 3,000 shillings. Therefore, any person who is reasoning is supposed to doubt a kilogram of meat costing 3,000 shillings, whereas at Sanga, a kilogram of meat is 12,000 shillings. Now, where do we get this meat that is being sold at 3? What type of meat is it?
Ogu tugwa murundi gw'okubanza enshonga egi okugambwaho kandi omurundi ogwahererukire okugirwanisa kikarema.
When I was chairperson LS Sanga, I remember I fought Sanga meat. I fought Sanga meat because the first market for Sanga was at Kiruhura. That's when these people shifted to Kibara. And it was unfortunate that my brothers who were in politics the other end welcomed the Sanga market and the Sanga meat. Some of them even joined, even the trader, became traders of Sanga meat.
Lieutenant Joe wa Rusimbi RDC wa Kasese na jangu tubarikwenda enyama egi okugaruka mu district eya Kasese ahabwa embeera mbi eyerikubeeramu.
We no longer want that meat. Now suppose anthrax, it will just kill everybody. Just kill everybody. So I'm advising my brothers and sisters of Kasese, let's not go in for that meat. That meat. Even if you look at it, the way it smells, what? No.
There are some of these diseases that develop spores. If you cook, even if you cook at 100 degrees, and you don't reach the required degrees of destruction of spores, still you consume those spores, you get infected with a particular disease. Case in a point like anthrax.
RDC na jangu hariho orukiiko orukuza kushitama okureeba ko enyama egi erazibirwe okugaruka mu district egi.
Because once you don't engage them all putting them on board, of course the operation will not be successful.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi omuri Kasese.